Hello students, today we discuss on a new topic of chapter number 3 or module number 3 tendering. Topic name is arrange for a site visit and investigation. So the site visit is carried out mostly in the presence of owner or his representative. Site visit help to understand the some of the things and after visiting the site we exactly know about the site. So first uh, we check on a site is a description of the site, then after position of a existing service, third one is a description of a ground condition, fourth one is a available of a labor on site, then after assessment of a security and law and order situation, then after description of access to the site, topographical detail in the site, availability of water and power, facility available for waste and excess earth disposal, and description of any demolition work and temporary work to adjoin the building. It is advisable to carry out the format of a questionnaire that needs to fill fill up during the site visit for getting the information, and to prepare estimates is readily available. So the site visit or a site investigation helps to collect the information like general information related to site, information on a row and regulations, then after meteorological information, then after information related to access to project site by road, rail, air and water routes, information on a public utility and services, information on a material available and their rates, information on a site topography, information on a basic inputs and estimate of the material rates, information on a site facility, information on a labor availability and their rates, information on subcontract availability and their rates for different items of work, information of on availability of a plant and machinery and their rates. Now next topic we discuss is consultation meeting and other works. So in a consultation meeting and other works, we discuss on a contractor rate estimation is a collective process and inputs are required from the number of department within the organization, and estimator might need to consult a purchase department, plant and equipment department, account department and legal department for a material update, preparation of a EMD and examination of a certain clauses. Now contractor has to arrange for a earnest money deposit in the required mode of submission. In a large organization, this might involve writing a request letter addressed to the concerned accounts authority for getting the earnest money. Owner mostly asks the contractor to furnish a proof that the official signing the tender document is legally entitled to do so, and for this a copy of power of attorney on behalf of the person signing the document is also demanded, and the estimator may require the service of a designer and a construction method engineer in case alternative design and drawing are to be prepared for the project. In such a cases, the estimator may also need to take off qualities, and in case there are ambiguities in a tender document issued by the owner, The same is noted and communicated to the client well in advance to the pre-bid meeting. And pre-bid meeting are held by the owner to clarify the queries raised by the different contractor bidding for the project. In such a meeting, representative of the project management firm, architect, service consultant are invited. It is desirable to send a copies of the queries to the owner in advance so that he can prepare the relevant clarification. Now, next topic we discuss is a preparation of a construction schedule and other relevant schedule. So, on a civil engineering work have many component operations. It is of utmost importance to plan or program the manner in which the component operation will be carried out, and also in which sequence they will be started, and great care and thought to program ensure smooth running contract without delay and hitches which causes disorganization with consequent loss of time and money. Construction schedule is split the project quantities on a bar chart and calculate the cash flow outflow schedule based on a contract condition and a contractor's payment agreement with labor, vendor and supplier, and also prepare a cash inflow outflow schedule, labor schedule, plant schedule and subcontractor schedule. So these are the schedule which are required to prepare for a smooth work. And another topic we discuss is a working capital schedule. So in a working capital schedule, first is a stock. So in a stock we include the basic material, other material, temporary structures and spares, tools or tackles or fuels, etc. And another capital schedule we include the fixed asset, outstanding, vendor credit and unadjusted advances are added. Now next topic we discuss is collect information on a labor. So here first we calculate the number of labor requirement per day or per week, etc. So the average output labor per hour, both the skilled and unskilled labor we calculate. Next is the departmental labor calculation, plant operator and helpers calculation, mats, mason, carpenter, filter, helper, etc. is calculated. Subcontractor labors is calculated. Excavator, male or female helpers, etc. is calculated. Now next information we collect is the collect information on a plant and equipment at the time of the site visit. So first identify the plant and equipment need to completion of the project within the given schedule duration to get the information on their output and average output of a mechanical plant, different types of the site like manufacturer, technical literature, consider efficiency factor, verify P&M performance report of various site and knowledge of most economical manner to carry out the work. So here one of the chart is given for a particular topic. So first is bid price is distributed in two part. First one is total cost and second is a markup amount. So here in a total cost already we discussed is that cost is divided into two parts. First is a direct cost and second is a indirect cost. So in a direct cost we include the labor cost, equipment cost, crew, materials and subcontractor. All these costs are we included in a direct cost, and indirect cost we include the project overhead, common plant and equipment and common workers, etc. Cost are indirect cost. And in a mark amount, so we include the profit, contingency, allowance for risk and general overhead charges included in a markup amount. Now the total cost consists of a direct cost and indirect cost. So in a direct cost we include the labor cost, equipment cost, crew, members, cost material and cost subcontractor. On other hand, indirect cost include the project overhead, common plant and equipment, common work, and mark amount is mostly equated with the term profit, but mark amount is also more than the profit. It consists of a contingency also, so it consists of a allowance of risk as well, and it consists of a general overhead also. So detail on how finally the bid price is computed. Now next important topic start is the estimated cost. So here estimated cost include the cost of the material, cost of the labor, both the cost included in an estimated direct cost. Now this estimated cost, direct and indirect cost, we discuss in next lecture. So here we stop our lecture. Thank you.